Begin troubleshooting with all modules disassembled. This consists of the power supply, the long cord, the swivel, the short cord, which is attached to the robot. Plug the power supply in to the AC voltage and then move to the number 3 position and then press the gray power button to turn it on. If we have no blue light and no output here, the power supply is not good and must be replaced. Okay. Plug the power supply in and press the gray button. First you will get the blue light, which shows that you have AC coming in. When you press the gray button, you will get a light from either the 1 or the 3, depending which one is chosen, to show that you have output voltage. If you are not getting the 1 or the 3 lighting, the power supply is no good and must be replaced. Okay. If you press the gray button and you get the red LED, that shows that we have power coming out of the unit and the power supply is good. We now move on to the next section of troubleshooting. Sure. Okay, next we're going to check the long cord. The long cord is isolated. We're going to take it and plug it into the power supply. Tighten it up. Okay. If when we plug it in, we end up getting no lights or the lights go out, that means the long cable is no good and the long cable must be replaced. But if we plug it in, we have the blue light and we turn it on and we have the red light. That shows that the long cable so far has been good, and we move on to the next, which is the swivel. All right, next we plug the swivel into the end of the long cable. We start by pulling this back, the waterproof connection, looking at the connections to make sure that they align properly, because they are DC connections and can only be plugged in one way. So after aligning them, plug them in. We should get a blue light here. If we do not have a blue light here, it's possible that the long cable is bad, so try a different long cable to see if you get the blue light. If not, the swivel is no good and the swivel must be replaced. To check that power is flowing through the swivel, we look here at the end of the blue side, the robot connection, and we should have a red LED here. If we do not have a red LED here, that means that we do not have power coming out of the swivel and the swivel is defective and must be replaced. Okay. If we have the blue power light coming in, meaning we have power coming into the swivel, we are going to take the short cord, which is attached to the robot, and since we have the power here at the end of the swivel, we are going to orientate that correctly and plug it in and watch the swivel. If the green light comes on the swivel, that means that we have power flowing through. The drive motor will begin to run, and so will the pump motor. If the drive motor and pump motor do not come on, that means that we have a failure at the short cord and or the motor, and both should be replaced at the same time.